Hi guys, in this short tutorial I will show how to add a variant to an existing component. Let's say that I need another version of this button also with an icon. So instead of creating a separate new component with an icon, I can add a variant, another version of this component with an icon. So I can select it, I can click add variant, and I can give it a name, of course. Let's call it with icon, and I can just drag an instance of this component and just place it here. So now actually I have the default button and I have another one with an icon. Now this button is placed on this frame, and here if you see I have the two variants of it, default and with icon. So I can use the two variants depending on the screen, on what I need on my screen when using each one of the variants of this button. Okay, now I can also create that as a Boolean property. Some of the properties that we add to components can be switched on and off. We can do that either with component properties or adding a variant as a property, and I will show how to do that now. So I'm selecting this component plus a create new property, so that's going to be a variant. Let's call it an icon, and I'm going to create just this property, and I'm going to call this one actually the same name. I mean, this one is default, and this one I'm going to call default as well. So now it gives me a message that I can't have two variants called the same name, and it's right, of course. The only thing that I'm going to do now is I'm gonna give this one icon. I'm gonna give it a no because it doesn't have an icon, and this one is going to be yes. And here, as you see now, sorry, I can select this button and I can switch the icon on and off. Very easy. Okay, that's it guys, another shorty. Thanks a lot.